Something pulls me close, can't resist the call. Stay with me through dawn, don't let morning come. Stay with me through dawn, night is all we've got. Stay with me through dawn, hold me till the sun. Stay with me through dawn, never let this die. Walking through the fog, I hear your voice calling. Cues on painted sound like my heart falling. We need words when souls are connecting. This dangerous game that we keep perfecting. Leave me in alleys where no one can find us. Leave all the world and its noise far behind us. Fingers intertwined as we move through the haze. Lost in each other through nights and through days. Risk everything for this feeling we chase. Time disappears when I look at your face. Silent communion in spaces between. Living this story that can't quite be seen.